Welcome. In front of me is an LG K62 Plus, and today I'll show you how to insert SIM and SD card into this phone. And to get started, you will need this SIM eject tool, as I have one right over here. It comes provided with the device in the box, so you can get it from there. And once you have this, or either you can also use a paper clip, to be honest, just straighten out one on the ends and it should work just as well. But once you have either one of those, you want to pop out the tray, which is located on the upper left side of the phone. So right over here, as you can see. So once you find it, push the pin in, the tray will pop out, and then yank the tray out, and you will have space for 2 different SIM cards and 1 SD card. So you can place them each where you want, or at least the SIM card, you can place it on either one of those. And SD card has only one place, so I'm just gonna pop it right here, and there we go. Now make sure it does lay flush on the tray. And there we go. And from there, insert it back into the device, like so. And they should start working immediately after you insert it. So let's see. And SIM card is already working. As you can see, it requires a pin for the SIM card. So I'm going to confirm that one. And SD card should be working as well. And there is the SD card notification, so SD card is working as well. So if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.